Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Auction for Magento 2. In today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how a customer can add amount to his wallet in the Auction for Magento 2 extension. So for that, we'll be going to the web store front end and we'll be logging in as a customer. And after that, we'll show you how to add the amount to your wallet. So for that, I'll just go to the front end, and under the left hand panel, you can see auction wallet menu option is there. Now clicking the auction wallet menu option will bring up the section to add the amount to our wallet, as you can see here. Now you just need to add the amount that is needed to be added to the wallet, and after that just click on the add money to wallet button, and this would add this amount into your cart as a product. And from here you can directly click on the proceed to checkout button to top up your wallet. And after that, you can see under the order history as well, the amount has been added. So I'll update my address and click on the place order button, and you can see the order is successful. So now under the recent orders, you can see that the order has been placed and it's still pending. And after the successful purchase, you can see the transaction is being displayed here, and the credit amount is showing there, but the status is still pending. So now after the admin generates the invoice for this order, and at that time the status would be applied, as you can see now. So that's how you can add the wallet amount to your wallet very easily. So that was all about adding amount to the wallet by the customer at the front end, and hope it helped you out, and thanks for watching this video.